This is a failed turbo off the Picasso HDI 2 litre. As you can see, something's gone through there. We think it's the nut off the top of that spindle. As you can see, there's lots of play in there. This is what it's supposed to look like. This is a new one. You see on the top there's a nut. On that one, it's gone. So, I've got a nice job of fitting this back on now.